backdoors, and rootkits. Cybercriminals also use many different types of malicious software, known as malware, to carry out their attacks. Backdoor programs, such as NetBus and Orifice, are used by cybercriminals to gain unauthorized access to a system by bypassing the normal authentication procedures. Cybercriminals typically have authorized users unknowingly run a remote administrator tool program, RAT, on their machine to install a backdoor that gives a criminal administrator control over a target computer. Backdoors grant cybercriminals continued access to a system, even if the organization has fixed the original vulnerability used to attack the system. Rootkits. This malware is designed to modify the operating system to create a backdoor, which attackers can then use to access a computer remotely. Most rootkits take advantage of software vulnerabilities to gain access to resources that normally shouldn't be accessible, privilege escalation, and modify system files. Rootkits can also modify system forensics and monitoring tools, making them very hard to detect. In most cases, a computer infected by a rootkit has to be wiped and any required software reinstalled.